Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Izzah and my friends Deanne, Haikal and Hafiz will be presenting about construction industry in Malaysia. Now, let's take a look at the overview of this topic.
The construction industry plays a pivotal role in Malaysia's economic development, contributing significantly to GDP growth, infrastructure development and employment opportunities. With a strategic location in Southeast Asia and a burgeoning economy, Malaysia has witnessed substantial investment in construction projects over the years. This overview delves into the key aspects of Malaysia's construction industry, including its contributions to the economy, major players, challenges and future prospects. The construction sector is a vital contributor to Malaysia's economy, accounting for a significant portion of the country's GDP. It serves as a catalyst for economic growth by driving infrastructure development, attracting investment, and creating employment opportunities. According to statistics, the construction industry consistently ranks among the top sectors in terms of contribution to GDP. The construction industry in Malaysia comprises a diverse range of players, including large multinational corporations, local contractors, developers, and government agencies. Key players in the industry include Gambuna Berhad, Sunway Construction Group Berhad, IJM Corporation Berhad, and MMC Corporation Berhad, among others. Despite its significant contribution, the construction industry faces several challenges in Malaysia, including regulatory hurdles, labor shortages, project delays, and cost overruns. Regulatory complexities and bureaucratic processes can impede project execution and investment flows, leading to inefficiencies and delays. Additionally, fluctuations in construction material prices and economic uncertainties can impact project viability and profitability.
Moving on to the next point, which is importance of construction industry in Malaysia. So, the first one is enable socio-economic growth. Educational institutions, government offices, tourist attractions, transportation infrastructure such as airports and roads, all the essential elements of health like hospital and clinic need to be built by the construction industry. All of this is to maintain the social and material well-being of the nation and its people with the aim of achieving the highest possible level of human development. Moving on to the next one, which is humans development. Construction brings more convenient things to humans such as bullet train that will give an efficient life to use it. All of this modernized construction give such an easy life to humans to go anywhere they want in a short period of time. All of their activities also can be fastened with the help of these constructions. Then, for the importance of the construction industry in Malaysia is job opportunities. The construction industries need a lot of manhandling in them, and having an increased demand of construction industries will create many job opportunities for many people. Having a job opportunity will decrease the number of employees and civilians will be more productive. A lot of petty crimes will also decrease when they are employed, and this will be great for the country's development. And the last point of importance construction industry in Malaysia is to increase in tourism. For example, the Shinkansen, also known as the bullet train in Japan, is one of the fastest and well-known trains in the world. Many people travel to Japan just to experience the moment of riding the train, and this has caused an increasement in Japan tourism. So, when in Malaysia, with the help of the construction industry, many beautiful skyscrapers like the Petronas Twin Tower existed, and This attracts the interest of people all over the world to visit all of these buildings, statues, and public transport. Without the construction industry, all of these buildings wouldn't exist. Thus, no foreigner will be attracted to visit our country.
The demand for the construction industry in Malaysia has been encouraged by various factors which include authorities, policies, infrastructure wishes, urbanization trends, and monetary situation. Here are some key points regarding the demand in Malaysia. One of the demand for construction industry in Malaysia is infrastructure development. The Malaysian government has been making an investment in huge-scale infrastructure tasks to improve transportation network and help economic growth. Projects just like ECRL, MRT, LRT, highway, ports, and airports have pushed massive call for creation service. Moreover, the surge in Malaysia population is projected to drive an upsurge in residential construction. The steady rise in urbanization and population has sparked a notable demand for residential properties in the country's major city and urban hubs. In addition, Malaysia is increasingly focused on sustainable progress and incorporating eco-friendly building methods. This shift is driven by a concern for the environment and the need for regulatory compliance. As a result, there is now a high demand for construction projects that prioritize strict environmental preservation and obtaining green certification. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on construction demand in Malaysia has been significant, leading to delays in business timelines, disruption in supply chain, and a decrease in investment activities.
Lastly, we are going to talk about the supply in the construction industry in Malaysia. The supply in the construction industry in Malaysia refers to the availability of various resources and inputs necessary for carrying out construction activities effectively. These resources can include materials, equipment, labor, technology, and financing. First, we'll go through materials. Malaysia's construction industry relies on a diverse range of materials, including cement, steel, concrete, aggregates, bricks, and timber. The availability and cost of these materials can significantly impact project timelines and budgets. Efforts are made to ensure a steady and sustainable supply of construction materials through local production and importation. Next, equipment. Construction equipment such as excavators, cranes, bulldozers, and trucks are essential for executing construction projects efficiently. Malaysia has a well-developed market for construction equipment, with both domestic manufacturers and international suppliers catering to the industry needs. Labor. The availability of skilled and unskilled labor is crucial for the construction industry in Malaysia. While the country has a relatively large workforce, there are periodic shortages of skilled workers, particularly in specialized trades such as welding, plumbing, and electrical work. Efforts are being made to address this through vocational training programs and initiatives to attract talent. Technology. The adoption of technology in the construction industry is growing in Malaysia, with a focus on improving productivity, efficiency, and safety. Building information modeling (BIM), prefabrication, modular construction, and advanced construction materials are some of the technologies being embraced to enhance project delivery and quality. And lastly, financing. Access to financing is essential for funding construction projects in Malaysia. This includes capital for land acquisition, projects development, construction costs, and working capital. The availability of financing depends on factors such as project viability, market condition, interest rate, and government policies to promote investment in the construction sectors. Overall, ensuring a robust and sustainable supply chain is critical for the success of the construction industry in Malaysia, enabling the timely completion of projects and contributing to the nation's economic growth and development.